The concept I want to show here is how you can manage data efficiently. I've got more than 4,000 plants in this landscape template that I've got. And changing things in Revit in a template is not terribly efficient. For example, here I've got a field called Connect Link to CalFlora. This is so that somebody can pick on a link and go from the plant to Placus and see the information that's on their website. I've got this for Wikipedia, I've got it for CalFlora, and I've got it for US Department of Agriculture. And what I'm getting at here, you see if I'm making a change in here, I can delete and I can click OK and I can say, yeah, I know. And I can go in and I can delete. And I can say, okay, I know you're changing it for the plant. It's going to take me forever to modify this. So just to show you how this is helpful for me, I already have the link, but it's under a field, data field called URL, right? So I can use BIMLInk. I'd entered it once the manual horrible way. And I have my schedule here that I can export. I'll put it in this folder. I'll overwrite the one that's there already. I'm using it to manage my data almost every day. It tells me what it's saving out. It gives me a chance to preview it or just to open the file. So I can open the file. I can see I've got data fields with descriptions, surface routes can be problematic, that kind of thing. What I want to show, I'm going to zoom back a bit so you can see this. So there was my URL that had the information I wanted to remove. In a spreadsheet, I can just do that, hit the space bar, and then when I want to, if I want to fix this up, I can come across to the information that was located in the wrong location and do this. And do copy, come over here and do paste. Save my file, so just make sure I'm saving it. Close the file, and back in Revit I can come and watch what's happening up here. I can say import from that spreadsheet and watch this here. So it's done, right? It saves me hours. You can do that with any data for any data field. So I would delete this field and haven't lost my information. I'll just confirm that if I click on something here, it's a URL that would take me to show me the plants that I'm interested in.